أرسلناك إلا كافة للناس بشيرا ونذيرا ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون.
O Prophet, we have not sent you forth but as a herald of good news and a warner for all mankind. But most people do not know.
ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين.
They ask of you, when will this promise of resurrection be fulfilled if what you say is true?
قل لكم ميعاد يوم لا تستأخرون عنه ساعة ولا تستقدمون.
Say, your day is appointed. You can neither hold back its coming by an hour nor hasten it by an hour.
وقال الذين كفروا لن نؤمن بهذا القرآن ولا بالذي بين يديه ولو ترى إذ الظالمون موقوفون عند ربهم يرجع بعضهم إلى بعض القول يقول الذين استضعفوا للذين استكبروا لولا أنتم لكنا مؤمنين.
The unbelievers say, we shall never believe in this Quran, nor in any scripture before it. If you could only see the wrongdoers arrayed before their Lord, each bandying charges against the other. Those who were suppressed will say to those who waxed arrogant, had it not been for you, we would have been believers.
قال الذين استكبروا للذين استضعفوا أنحن صددناكم عن الهدى بعد إذ جاءكم بل كنتم مجرمين.
The arrogant ones will retort to those who were suppressed, what? Did we bar you from the guidance after it came to you? Not at all. Rather, you yourselves were evildoers.
وقال الذين استضعفوا للذين استكبروا بل مكر الليل والنهار إذ تأمروننا أن نكفر بالله ونجعل له أندادا وأسروا الندامة لما رأوا العذاب وجعلنا الأغلال في أعناق الذين كفروا هل يجزون إلا ما كانوا يعملون.
Those who were suppressed will say to those who waxed arrogant, by no means it was your scheming night and day when you would join us to disbelieve in Allah and set up others as equals to Him. When they are confronted with the chastisement, they will be remorseful in their hearts. We shall put fetters around the necks of the unbelievers. Can people be requited except for their deeds?
وما أرسلنا في قرية من نذير إلا قال مترفوها إنا بما أرسلتم به كافرون.
We never sent a warner to any town, but its wealthy one said, we disbelieve in the message you've brought.
وقالوا نحن أكثر أموالا وأولادا وما نحن بمعذبين.
They always said, we have more wealth and children than you have, and we shall not be chastised.
قل إن ربي يبسط الرزق لمن يشاء ويقدر ولكن الناس لا يعلمون.
O Prophet, say to them, My Lord grants provision abundantly to whomsoever He pleases, and straightens it for whomsoever He pleases. But most people do not know this.
وما أموالكم ولا أولادكم بالتي تقربكم عندنا زلفى إلا من آمن وعمل صالحا فأولئك لهم جزاء الضعف بما عملوا وهم في الغرفات آمنون.
It is not your riches nor your children that make you near station to us, except for him who has faith and acts righteously. It is they who will receive double the recompense for their deeds. They shall live in lofty mansions in perfect peace.
والذين يسعون في آياتنا معاجزين أولئك في العذاب محضرون.
As for those who work against our signs so as to frustrate them, they shall be arraigned into the chastisement.
قل إن ربي يبسط الرزق لمن يشاء من عباده ويقدر له وما أنفقتم من شيء فهو يخلفه وهو خير الرازقين.
Say, O Prophet, verily, my Lord grants provision abundantly to whomsoever He pleases, and straightens it for whomsoever He pleases. Whatever you spend, He will replace it. He is the best of all providers.
ويوم يحشرهم جميعا ثم يقول للملائكة أهؤلاء إياكم كانوا يعبدون.
And on the day when He will muster them all and will ask the angels, Are they the ones who worshipped you?
قالوا سبحانك أنت ولينا من دونهم بل كانوا يعبدون الجن أكثرهم بهم مؤمنون.
They will reply, Glory to you, you are our protector, not they. Nay, they rather used to worship the jinn. Most of them believe in them.
فاليوم لا يملك بعضكم لبعض نفعا ولا ضرا ونقول للذين ظلموا ذوقوا عذاب النار التي كنتم بها تكذبون.
Today none of you has the power to benefit or harm another, and we shall say to the evildoers, Taste now the chastisement of the fire, which you used to deny, calling it a lie.
وَإِذَا تُتْلَى عَلَيْهِمْ آيَاتُنَا بَيِّنَاتٍ قَالُوا مَا هَذَا إِلَّا رَجُلٌ يُرِيدُ أَن يَصُدَّكُمْ قالوا ما هذا إلا رجل يريد أن يصدكم عما كان يعبد آباؤكم وقالوا ما هذا إلا إفك مفترى وقال الذين كفروا للحق لما جاءهم إن هذا إلا سحر مبين.
When our clear signs are rehearsed to them, they say, This is a person who wants to turn you away from the deities whom your ancestors worshipped. They say, this is nothing but an invented falsehood. And when the truth came to the unbelievers, they declared, this is nothing but plain sorcery.
وَمَا آتَيْنَاهُم مِّن كُتُبٍ يَدْرُسُونَهَا وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَا إِلَيْهِمْ قَبْلَكَ مِن نَّذِيرٍ.
Whereas we gave them no books that they could study, nor sent to them any warner before you.
وَكَذَّبَ الَّذِينَ مِن قَبْلِهِمْ وَمَا بَلَغُوا مِعْشَارَ مَا آتَيْنَاهُمْ فَكَذَّبُوا رُسُلِي فَكَيْفَ كَانَ نَكِيرِ.
Those who went before them also denounced Allah's messengers as liars. They have not attained even a tenth of what we had given them. But when they rejected my messengers, calling them liars, how terrible was my chastisement.
قُلْ إِنَّمَا أَعِظُكُمْ بِوَاحِدَةٍ أَن تَقُومُوا لِلَّهِ مَثْنَى وَفُرَادَى ثُمَّ تَتَفَكَّرُوا مَا بِصَاحِبِكُم مِّن جِنَّةٍ إِنْ هُوَ إِلَّا نَذِيرٌ لَكُمْ بَيْنَ يَدَيْ عَذَابٍ شَدِيدٍ.
Say to them, O Prophet, I give you but one counsel. Stand up for heaven's sake, singly and in pairs, and then think, what is it in your companion, to wit Muhammad, that could be deemed as madness? He is nothing but a warner, warning you before the coming of a grievous chastisement.
قُلْ مَا سَأَلْتُكُم مِّنْ أَجْرٍ فَهُوَ لَكُمْ إِنْ أَجْرِيَ إِلَّا عَلَى اللَّهِ وَهُوَ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ شَهِيدٌ.
Say to them, whatever recompense I might ask of you, it shall be yours. My recompense is with Allah, and He is a witness over everything.
قُلْ إِنَّ رَبِّي يَقْذِفُ بِالْحَقِّ عَلَّامُ الْغُيُوبِ.
Say to them, my Lord hurls down the truth upon me. He knows fully all that lies beyond the range of perception.
قُلْ جَاءَ الْحَقُّ وَمَا يُبْدِئُ الْبَاطِلُ وَمَا يُعِيدُ.
Say, the truth has come, and falsehood can neither originate nor recreate anything.
قُلْ إِن ضَلَلْتُ فَإِنَّمَا أَضِلُّ عَلَى نَفْسِي وَإِنِ اهْتَدَيْتُ فَبِمَا يُوحِي إِلَيَّ رَبِّي إِنَّهُ سَمِيعٌ قَرِيبٌ.
Say, if I go astray, then the hurt of straying will come only upon me. But if I am rightly guided, that is only because of the revelation that my Lord makes to me. He is all-hearing, ever nigh.
وَلَوْ تَرَى إِذْ فَزِعُوا فَلَا فَوْتَ وَأُخِذُوا مِن مَّكَانٍ قَرِيبٍ.
If you could only see when the unbelievers will go about in a state of terror, they will have no escape and will be seized from a place near at hand.
وَقَالُوا آمَنَّا بِهِ وَأَنَّىٰ لَهُمُ التَّنَاوُشُ مِن مَّكَانٍ بَعِيدٍ.
They will then say, we believe in it, but whence can they attain it from so far off a place?
وَقَدْ كَفَرُوا بِهِ مِن قَبْلُ وَيَقْذِفُونَ بِالْغَيْبِ مِن مَّكَانٍ بَعِيدٍ.
They disbelieved in it before and indulged in conjectures from far away.
وحيل بينهم وبين ما يشتهون كما فعل بأشياعهم من قبل إنهم كانوا في شك مريب.
A barrier will be placed between them and what they desire, as was done with the likes of them before. Surely they were in a disquieting doubt.